What is going on, fellow Balisong flippers? It's Levi Bergen at the Brigade Blade channel, and I have finally received my package. If you know what this is, good for you. If you don't, this is my 200 subscriber mark Balisong, which I am so thankful for. I reached 200 subs a little bit ago. Unfortunately, shipping was a bit later than I expected, so it finally arrived, and I'm doing my 200 subscriber mark video right now, which is awesome. Okay. I'm really, really hyped about this Balisong. I'm just a little out of energy because I had a bit of a long day at work today, but okay, I don't want to show my address. Couldn't rip it off either. Okay, well, sure, just, this is not the, I need to sharpen this. Okay, so, a bit more packaging. Also, this is the first Balisong that I've bought from this company. If you know, you know. It is the LDY brand. This is a pretty sick case, I'm not gonna lie. I actually really like that. That's really cool. Oh, baby. Oh, would you look at that beauty? Oh, I cannot wait to take it out of its packaging. But first things first, in traditional unboxing Balisong fashion, we gotta look at all this. Oh my god, that is a lot of stuff. I think I've seen these a few times. This is like their screwdriver kit. I don't know how it works. Oh yeah, see? So that's really cool. They got, okay, what are the bits we got? T10. Are they all T10? Yep. And yep, they're all T10. So that's good. Extra hardware. Ooh, nice little card. Oh, that's sick. What is this? What is this supposed to, this is a thick card, but it's nice. But yeah, okay, so this is the SIRIUS. Whatever these are, I think these are, oh, I don't know what these are. What are these? Is this, they're Band-Aids. Are they Band-Aids? Like actual Band-Aids? They're actual Band-Aids. I did not know that they supplied that. I don't know anybody supplied that. That's actually pretty cool. Then we got nice cloth. That's actually, well, that is some good material. I don't know what material it is, but it feels good. Like, it feels like it will do its job. And that's it. So let's open this. Oh, spare ribs. He died. Again, how tragic. I love that case, by the way. That is a pretty sick case. Oh man, I almost want to be a collector and just keep it in its packaging. I don't want to open it. It's like when you get a really rare Pokemon card and you don't want to ruin it. Right down the middle. Oh, shoot. I can tell, oh man, that grip, oh, that is some serious grip. No tap, good. That's what's expected of a brand new Balisong, but you never know because of shipping. So it's good. That's such a cool design. I'm not gonna lie. I'm trying. Where? What? It's so cool. Again, I wish I was really like. I wish I sounded more hyped about this, but I'm so out of energy right now. Jeez, that feels nice. Okay, hold on. We're not gonna flip it just yet. So this is a false edge, but I really want to sharpen it. Oh man, is that what this black? Is that sharpen? Like supposed to be like a guide kind of like uh I don't know if that's what it is, but what a lot of people who make knives, what they do is they put Sharpie on here so that when they sharpen it, depending on how much Sharpie is showing, you know, it's an easy way to tell how even your sanding and your grinding is. Although I guess that wouldn't make sense for this top part, would it? Maybe it's just supposed to be a cool effect, but still, that is sick. That's that's fairly sharp. Oh, I cut myself. Okay, so that is sharp. Is that? That's a real knife. Okay. Why did I think that was dull? I cut myself. I'm not bleeding though. I have thick skin. I'm a bit of a guitarist, so my callus. Though that's not my callus spot, is it? It's like whatever. Okay, so I cut myself thinking this was a not sharp knife, but it really is. I'm gonna see just how sharp it is. Jeez. Okay. That's a stupid mistake. Oh man, I brushed my finger on a live blade and I thought it was a fake. Jeez. Okay. That is, if you can't see, that is, it could be sharpened a little bit. Like it's dull enough that it wouldn't be considered lethal, I think, but no, maybe not. I don't know. That's, dang, okay. Ouch, my bad. Jeez, somebody clip that. Somebody remind me 20 years in the future from now how stupid Levi used to be. Because, dang, I just did that. But it doesn't feel that sharp. That doesn't feel sharp, but it is. It's like, yeah, it's whatever. Let's get into flipping. Okay, so straight off the, is that more blade biased? Yeah, I think so. I don't know exactly it's where the center of gravity is supposed to be for it to be considered blade bias or handle bias. I think it's actually, I think it's pretty evenly weighted. Dang, I cannot believe I cut myself. Maybe that's what the Band-Aids were for. They predicted. They knew this package was going to Levi Bergen, and they're like, bandage this kid up because he's going to be an idiot. Oh, jeez. Okay, first job. I'm not very good at that, but that sounds pretty good. Oh. Ah. That is sweet. That is... Okay, the grip on the handles, excellent. I love the color. I wanted this to be a live blade Balisong. I think somewhere it said that it was going to be a false edge, but I can't remember. That's why I went ahead and cut myself. But yeah, so I wanted like a military green to kind of match the lethal kind of vibe of the entire Balisong, which I think they really did a good job at. And then it's got like a little hook here. Is that... Can I hook this? Can I lanyard my Balisong? Is that what that is? A lanyard Balisong. Would it get in the way? It wouldn't really get in the way, would that? A lanyard Balisong. Let me try that, actually. I don't know that I have any string there. You know what? We're gonna pretend this is a lanyard. No, that wouldn't be a good lanyard, but that's what I got. I hope this is entertaining for y'all. Levi being a dumbass is always entertaining. Well, wait. Oh, well, I broke that. I'm breaking everything. Okay, so lanyard Balisong. Kind of gets in the way. Okay, it's not a lanyard. I don't know what that is. Ignore me. I'm just... Don't believe anything in this video about any, anything, really. I'm just an idiot. Ooh, fans are pretty good. I love the lightweight of it, too. Actually, this is very, very lightweight in the handles. Yeah, that's very blade biased. But that is sick. That is awesome. I love this. I wish I sounded more excited, because I am actually more excited than I sound. That is crazy. Been waiting for this for 2 weeks. It's finally here. And the same day, Rampage got his two, or no, I guess it was just one. Yeah, the same day he got his new Balisong. So if you like seeing unboxing videos, be sure to check out his channel, because he's gonna... I'm not sure if he's posted one yet, but he's gonna have a unboxing of, what is it, the Banshu? And that will be a very sick video. Honestly, I think his is a little cooler than mine. It definitely sounds better. But that, yeah. So if you like my content, you'll probably like his. So go ahead and join his channel. I love these handles. Jeez. Let me show it in more light, better lighting. That is nice. That is so nice. That is like absolutely stunning. And it's so smooth too. Like there's like, geez, there's like no resistance when it's flipping. Like some Balisongs, they start off like a bit tight, like just a slight amount. They just feel like just the tiniest bit of resistance. And here I don't feel that at all. It's just very free. Maybe that's because of the life blade. I think a lot of people say that life blades are better than the fake ones. So this is really cool. And I've got nobody to thank but you guys for helping me reach 200 subscribers on this channel. It's absolutely insane for a 3-month-old channel to reach this much attention. I'm just so grateful for that, and I'm so thankful for you guys. I'm not overly emotional. My voice is just dead, but yeah, thank you guys so much for this Balisong. And if you want to see even more, my next subscriber mark Balisong will be once I hit 1,000. Or sorry, not 1,000, 500, because, well, I need to slow down on spending money on Balisongs, but also I think that's going to be a good mark. So next up, 500 subs, and I will get really crazy Balisong. I'll go all out. Yeah, so I'm gonna end the video here. So thank you guys so much for watching and for subscribing, for all your support. I mean, comments, likes, subscriptions, shares, it just all adds up to the total. It all helps. Every little bit helps. You don't have to do everything. You don't even have to subscribe, but just a comment and a like I'll be set. That is all. So thank you guys so much for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more clips and Rampage flips. He'll be mentioned in the description of this channel too. Adios.